So I was just down here, maybe an hour ago or so, recording a video of this Chinkinese camera, the Imou Ranger Pro. There's been a video about it. These are my little cheat sheets I use for the bullet points, basically. I have another one to record there. And I was upstairs editing the video for like an hour because I had footage from the micro SD card here and footage from the tablet and voiceovers and all kinds of, you've seen the video hopefully. And I come back downstairs ready to record this. Something's Chinese down here. Something smells very Chinese. And I went and I looked around. I looked out all in there, looked around. I know I have a battery for the camera charging, so I figured maybe that's Chinanizing. Sniffed around the server room, everything. No. And I walk around and I just noticed there's the culprit. This, you'll notice the covering for it is crooked because it just wasn't making the right connection there. I don't know. So when I had it like that, it would work. But you could see it just barely glowing. And that is what is making the smell. So I can't hold the camera and do this at the same time. Oh yeah, she's dead. She's definitely dead. Yep, so that's what the smell was. So I got to replace this. I have to unplug it. I think this one? Nope. Let's try that. That's the one. There he goes. Got my convenient outlets up here for the various other lights. That controls that and that light over there, so it'll just have to be out for now. This particular fixture was actually from when the wife and I had an apartment. These were the fixtures that were outside, and the landlord decided that because these were dusk to dawn, it doesn't seem to be bothered in here, because these were dusk to dawn, it uses too much electricity. So she decided that she wanted to switch everything to motion sensor lights, and those had the two incandescent floodlights, and they would trigger on and off. So it was never, it was a losing game. These fluorescents, have definitely would be using less electricity than those floodlights kicking on and off all the time. But that's what she wanted, and I did that, and I was able to get one of these fixtures, maybe two, but one without the covering on it, not really sure. Regardless, this one died. This is, let's see, we moved in that place, I think 2002, and here we are in 2021, 19 years. Same bulb, same everything, so I think it definitely had a good life. The good news is I found at Home Depot's website or something a long time ago, like a direct replacement for this. When I'll get to doing that, I don't know. But the mystery of the strange Chinese smell in the basement has been solved. And being a compact fluorescent kind of type thing, that's usually how they fail. And it wasn't anything worse. So that's good. Maybe I'll make another video when I replace it. Don't really know, but just good thing I caught that and wanted to share that with you. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Just for fun. 170, it was almost 200 degrees before. So yeah, that's definitely what was cooking. I don't know if it's the bulb or the fixture, but I know the bulb is spent. You can see the blackening there. If I have another bulb from the new fixture that might fit it. I'm not even going to take a chance. I'll just replace it. It looks exactly the same.